Good afternoon to one and all. It is my immense pleasure to welcome you all for the valedictory function on ATL sponsored online faculty development program on smart cities organized by DSATM. I would like to request our beloved principal sir to give away the presidential address. Over to you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yeah. Good afternoon, one and all present here, brothers and sisters of teaching fraternity.
Sir, the voice.
At the outset, like I said, congratulations for having arranged this faculty development program, which was really necessary, right? And of course, on the first day, I had given a slight insight about the smart cities, why it is required, and so on. As per the present generation, moreover, they say that the change is always constant. Second place, they can just survive. If one can change, along with the change, they can succeed. If one can create a change, they can lead. Therefore, I always tell our students, see, try to be a leader. In order to try to be a leader, in order to make a change, along with the change, what you could do, predict and so on. Therefore, and the smart cities are the one what is a thorough insight to the government of India and especially to the Prime Minister of India. For the living conditions. Hello, should I start again? Okay, yeah. I'm sorry. Start from again. I appreciate Sri Shankar, who was the executive director, gave an insight to the metro, and then smart water systems enabling sustainable water supply was given by Dr. Mohan Kumar, and then smart city solutions, solid waste management, how that has to be tackled by was given by Mr. Arindam Roy, because that is really required. Because of late, if the good solid waste management is not being taken care of, the ground level, the ground level water, I mean, beneath the ground will be totally destroyed. I mean, loss of minerals, everything will be done. Therefore, the information and communication, which is very, very important, because as even when Narendra Modi was telling, of course, which is also true. Earlier days, the cities were built along with the rivers, and then later on, cities were built along with the national highways. And in future, cities have to be built based on the communication system, that is fiber optic network and so on. Therefore, and see, in fact, yesterday I was talking to one of my students. They said even in some of the remote places from the last 6 months, the connectivity is so good, because that is the initiative taken by the state government, of course, with the help of central government and so on. Therefore, smart information and communication technologies were delivered by Dr. Jonathan. Then management of parking systems, because the so much, and unless the smart parking systems are to be incorporated, it would be rather difficult to have proper road for the regular traffic. Therefore, that management on street parking system was delivered by Dr. Prashant Mishra. And challenges in communication technologies for smart meters. Smart meters, that is also quite important, because earlier manually they had to go and there was possibility of manipulation. Now coming to the smart cities, all this manipulation and all these things could be avoided. And then urban mobility and public transport, because transportation is one of the major criteria for a person from move to one place to another. And unless there is proper mobility and public transport, it would be rather difficult, because trying to go on own vehicles is the total traffic congestion could be there, and lots of fuel are to be spent. Fuel consumption ought to be there by individuals, which will once again add to the greenhouse gases. Therefore, urban mobility and public transport, rather than one bus carrying 50 persons or 50 persons traveling in 50 cars, you can imagine what could be the type of impact. What could they? Then type testing of smart meters, that was also that was delivered by Mr. Harinath Babu. And then stress management, that is very important, because of the present scenario. Stress management and meditation are very much required to have a peaceful life, to go ahead or proceed further. And then smart city energy models was delivered by Sri Shashi Om Katiyar. The smart energy management again for the micro grid was delivered by Dr. Subba Reddy. Then SCADA and distribution automation was by Mr. Shivkumar, Joint Director Metering Utility of CPRA, who have been in that line for quite some time. And then photonics technology for smart cities was delivered by Dr. T. Srinivas from IAC. Then smart street lighting, because in the first day when I told smart street lighting, it will reduce lots of criminal activities and so on. That was delivered by Sri Shashi Om Katiyar again. Then finally, our own person, Dr. Shanmukha Sundar, gave a brief insight to the electrical vehicles and charging infrastructure for smart cities, which
Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful words. Now I'd request Dr. Sundar, sir, to brief away about the FTP.
Hello, once again it's me. I think already have taken 1.5 hours of yours. You people are eagerly waiting for test paper. Definitely we will be posting within 5 minutes. So we will be completing this validatory, this one. So thank you one and all. I think whatever there are smart solutions, there are so many solutions are there. Only we have taken few things because we are from electrical background. So more topics were from electrical topics were there. But we tried our level best to include the topics from the various branches like your IT, CS, and civil engineering also we have included with the first day based on civil engineering, etc., and all those things. So we have tried our level best to reach out to the participants. Hope you people have enjoyed all these sessions. So on behalf of Dayanand Sagar institutions, this one and from me, so I want to thank you all for your wonderful cooperation. So I think feedback link has been posted. You have given it feedback. So once again, you people are having my mail. Anything is there, please mail it to me. Still, WhatsApp group will be there active for another 1 or 1.5 months, because till you get your certificate, etc., all problems will be clear. That WhatsApp group will be there. So okay. So thank you. Okay, thank you one and all. So on behalf of Dayanand Sagar institutions, in particular on behalf of Principal and Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department of Dayanand Sagar Academy of Technology and Management, I wholeheartedly thank all the participants for your patience hearing, and people are wonderful, and people are with us for all these 5 days, almost 14 sessions, hoping that these sessions were useful to you. So thank you one and all. So we'll be posting the test link. So we'll give 30 minutes to answer you. So Mr. Prasad, can you post that one in the chat box, test link? Prasad, please post it, the link, test link. Please wait. They will be posting the link, test link. And once again, all are requested to give your feedback on Atal portal. Don't forget, without completing all the 5 conditions which I have displayed. So you have to say fulfill. I think feedback, internal feedback is over. Now test is going to be over. Then feedback, log into your Atal portal, give the feedback on that one. Once again, Prasad, may I request you to post the link? Hakidara. Okay, test link has been posted. So now it is 4 o'clock exactly. 28 30 questions will be there, half an hour time. Please complete it. Later we will not receive the responses. Anything is there, so you can put it in a chat box now only. Link has been posted. Please try answering it. 4:30. Anyway, 5 minutes extra we will give. 4:35 we will wind up. You hear?